Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing some rust repair on the 240. Anybody that has a 240 knows that the frame rails on these are pretty bad. They're really notorious for getting rust, so we're going to take care of that today. So what you're going to need for this job is you're going to need some undercoating paint, some self-etching primer, you're going to need your grinder, obviously some safety glasses. I'm going to use this wheel to take off any contaminants on the frame, and obviously you're going to need some steel plate and your welder. As you guys can see, the frame rail on this car has seen better days, but we're going to fix that today. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this rust, and then I'm going to come back through with the bristle wheel, clean it up so we can weld. Now I'm just going to cut up this piece of metal here. I'll get it to fit and then I'll weld it in there. Yeah, I'm not a very good welder, but it's good enough that I can grind it down and it'll get the job done. So now this is all ground down, I'm gonna hit this next portion here. So next I cut out this piece to fill in this gap, cut everything out. Fits pretty well, so we'll weld that in as well and trim it up. Putting in this piece now. Got it all tacked in. I'm starting to weld it to the other plate. And we'll do some trimming on this corner here. Well, it's not terrible. It'll definitely hold and it's looking decent. Just got to finish up some welds up here and she'll be good to go. Well, I am probably going to stop recording while I'm welding because I got some weld spatter on the camera and I really don't want to ruin this thing, so I will keep you guys updated, just not while I'm welding. Now it's time to do the other side. Got the majority of the rust out on this side as well, so now we're just going to do the same thing. Got the new piece of metal all chopped up, now it's time to start welding. The inside face of the frame rail is done, so now I just got to get the bottom and this project will be finished. Got the bottom cut out. Just gonna weld in this plate here now. So I'm getting the bottom part put on. So I just put some tack welds in and I hammered this to make it flush. Everything's all welded up. Put the jack stand on it. It's holding strong. No issues that I can see. Now I'm going to use the undercoat paint to finish it up. this section's all good to go. Well, that wraps it up for this video. If you guys found that helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.